Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei Y91, and now I'm gonna show you top camera tricks. Open camera applications. So here we have in more. We have Pro mode. Using the Pro mode, we can take really great photos, but you need to know how to use Pro mode. So watch our video about it. High res. In high res, we can take photos in high resolution. In dual view, we can record video with both cameras at the same time. As you can see, for example, now I'm recording the video from the front and from the back camera at the same time. Cool. Then, of course, here we have a time lapse, slow-mo, and other features. Here we can use only 30 FPS frame rate, but we can use 180p video size. Cool. Open photos. In photos we have AI mode. In the AI mode, artificial intelligence is colorizing our photos in the way that we don't need to use any Lightrooms or Photoshops to improve our photos. So cool. And of course, the last aspect that I can identify like a trick of this camera is the night mode. For example, you can find any dark place, click take a photo, and for example, now I'll show you a photo from completely black place for me. For example, I can see nothing in this place, but using this camera night mode, I can take great image. Cool. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.